From Hunkydory, we have a beautiful collection. It's called Delightful Birds. Now, this is called a decoupage card collection. Sometimes they call them a deco large, so it's kind of the same process. Now, this will make 12 cards, and so let me show you what that's going to be. As you would expect, there are instructions, and that's very, very helpful. It's just 4 steps, so it makes it really easy. And let's see, I think we'll get in close and see a couple of these. We're going to have to get in super close. In fact, there's kind of a look of one on the front of the package, but these are, any closer? There we go. Thank you, Steve. So you're getting a peek of it. Hopefully you can see that there's some dimension to these. All of these, like the title suggests, are called Delightful Birds. Okay, now we'll back up and let me show you what's inside the kit. Now you're going to get 12 of these, well, 12 of them, is 6 designs, so you're going to get 2 of each. So you're going to get this piece that's you're going to pop out, and so that's going to be one thing. Then you also get this, which is your card base, and that base is already scored, it is foiled, and this piece is going to pop out. So let me show you. You get this. You also get a sheet of paper that is an insert. Now we know with Hunkydory that means it's a ghosted back image. So what you'll do is you'll take this piece, let me just show you. And by the way, they are 5 3/4 inches square, so that gives you an idea. So you've got this, and you simply take your card, fold it, take the insert and place it. I would glue it there in just a moment. Pop this piece out, and then you're going to glue that into the center here. And that becomes the platform on which you're going to take all of the die cuts and foam tape them together. So here is that sheet, and you would take them and foam tape, pop them out. So I popped some of these out, foam tape them, and put them on top of the matching artwork. So it's going to build up some dimension, and you start with the largest image, and then you go with the next image. And of course, foam tape is connecting these together, and you go the next image, and you continue until all the pieces are attached. Now, on each of these sheets, as you notice, there are 2 designs. So the second design is going to go with this card. You can see everything matches, and there is an insert to go inside it that coordinates perfectly. So every single sheet like this will give you 2 cards. You've got the cards included, and that just makes it super, super easy. Now let me show you what else. So here is another sheet with all of those die cuts. Here is the card that's going to work with the top group and the insert that goes with that. Here is the card that's going to work with the bottom group. Okay, you get the idea. And yes, there is an insert to go with that. So every single one of these is going to be able to make 2 cards. Here is this and the insert right there. And here is the one with all the mallard ducks at the bottom. How pretty. And you also get, so you get 2 of everything. You also get envelopes, so that works nicely. Here is another set, and you get them all duplicated. So as I said, you get 2 of each. So really, really pretty. Now, you can choose to put all of the die cuts on one card, or you might want to take this and maybe put this on a card and maybe have a couple of the die cuts, foam tape them on top, and then just do a couple on top of the cards. So you can do them a couple of different ways, but the process is exactly the same. Now, as I said, you do get the envelopes included for the 12 cards. However, there's another option that Hunkydory has, and this is it. These are square cards, they're not cards, they're boxes, square boxes. They come like this, they're folded down, and they are already scored for you. So all you need to do is fold on all the score lines, just fold in. The bump needs to be on the inside of the box, and then you'll put extra sticky tape on the tabs so that the tabs get attached inside, and then the sides will simply fold over just like that. Let's make that lid stay where I want it. Okay, much easier when you have this taped. The extra sticky we recommend because it's just a very secure adhesive, and it's not going to separate anything. So you just do this on both sides, and then you have a lid, and you can tuck this in, and you've got a sturdy box for mailing, or you can use the envelope. It's your choice. But I think you'll agree that the Delightful Birds is a wonderful collection from our friends at Hunkydory.